Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Aisha Siddiqa Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal Universal School. Today I am going to take a class for class 4 and today's topic is making food by plant without color. This is very easy topic. You know that you all are now growing up baby, not the small too much. You know how to draw a tree, but now today I will teach you making food by plants, how you will draw. This is also, you can say, this photosynthesis topics also. Look at the board. Making food by plant, that means how the plant make the food. Okay, first you will draw a stem like this. Give the root, and this one is very important. Give a straight line, that is land, like this. This one is water. Okay, after that you will give the another stem. Like this. Okay, then give the leaves. Without leaves, never a plant makes food. It's very important parts of this drawing. Everyone must draw this. Now look, I have give some trunk. Okay, this one called trunk, and if you want, you can give some fruits also like this. Okay. This was the rain subven. You must use this also because your drawing, finish your drawing. Okay, and everything is part of your drawing. And draw very clearly. Okay, and for this topic, sun is most important. You must draw a sun also. Okay, wait. I can draw sun here. Okay. So dear student, hope you know how a plant make the food from sun, water and the soil. So you must draw every part of the plant, that means leaves, roots, stem, trunk. Not mandatory to draw the fruit, but it's all obviously mandatory the sun also. So my dear student, hope you all have understood my today's class. You must practice at your home more and more time. This one is also your SW, and your SW number is 1. Everyone must mention the SW number and the lecture number obviously. Otherwise, we got some problem to check and collect your marks or any kinds of information. So dear student, must write down your SW number and submit your SW every Saturday at your school at 9 AM to 3 PM on Saturday. Okay, everyone remember this. Practice at your home. No more today. Thank you.